Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this open house for our engineering technology and civil engineering technology programs. We're very happy to have the press with us today. We have Megan Gannon from Channel 13, Brian Hill from Channel 7, Mark Skinner from The Floridan, and Kenny Douglas from Chipola College Television. What a great turnout and what a beautiful program. For those of you that don't really know, there are two programs, and so as soon as we finish right here, we're going to ask you all to step outside and go to the next building where we have the civil engineering technology program set up. Again, welcome everyone. We're so happy to have so many industry representatives and students here. And at this time, I'd like to call on Dr. Jason Hurst, president of Chipola College.
Thank you, Dr. Craven. Let me just first of all thank each of you for being here today. This is an important day in the life of Chipola College. And this is something that began about 2 years ago when we sat at the table with Rex Lumber, with DOT, and a few other industries talking about the needs that we have in our community and our region. And one of the things that came out of that was the need for engineering technology training, industrial training, civil engineering. We began a process of approaching the legislature for allocation for these programs. Last legislative session, we were approved for $1.6 million to start these two programs and an additional $200,000 a year in recurring dollars to keep these programs running. These are programs that are vital to our community, vital to our region, vital to the workforce. And something that we do here at Chipola is we take a hard look at the programs that we offer and make decisions about which direction those programs need to go. These programs, we feel like high-skill, high-wage, high-demand programs. I know we have many students in the audience today that are going to be involved in these programs. You're going to get some of the highest level training that you could possibly get. You're going to be well equipped to go out into the workforce and get good jobs. And that's what it's all about. We're trying to connect the college with business and industry partners and our students to getting good jobs, and we believe that we're going to be successful at doing that with these programs. I know we have a lot of business and industries here today, and I can't tell you how much we appreciate your input, your support, your continued support for these programs. And I can't say thank you enough for what you've done with advising us on what we needed to do to get these programs up and running, the equipment that we needed, and everything else in between. And I want to say a special thanks to Rex Lumber. Rex was at the table with us early, as I said, 2 years ago, and they have really stepped up to make a financial commitment to these programs in offering scholarships. They're offering many scholarships for students who are enrolled in these programs, and I just can't say thank you enough, Caroline, for what you and Rex have done for these programs. But with that, I want to turn it over to Darwin Gilmore. Darwin is our Dean of Economic Development and Workforce Development. So, Darwin, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Hurst, and thanks again for everyone who's turned out. Some of the things coming through my mind have to do with just try to segregate here and talk a little bit about civil engineering. Early on, we discussed some opportunities. And not only DOT, but people like Joseph Alday from Alday Howell, people like Lee Anderson and Tommy Mead from Southeastern Surveying, people from Metric Engineering came out in strong support. Anderson Columbia, Gene Strickland has been supportive and behind us from the very beginning, and we so appreciate that. It's just very encouraging when you have relationships and you know people, but you want to make sure that this connects and works. And we just really appreciate all of you all supporting this. On the side of Rex Lumber and Caroline, we had people from Spanish Trail helping. We had Ross Jackson there who's supporting us. We had people from there's several, there's 3 or 4 more that I need to name. We've got Home Source International being very strong, supporting, and Dennis Rudd and Mike Beard both here today. So I just want to say we do, like Dr. Hurst said, very much appreciate the support and the strength that's come together here for this. I want to introduce two very special people to you, two great finds that we have. Both of these are people who already teach, have already taught in the Florida college system. Very proud to introduce to you Mr. Olabode Ogadingbe. Olabode is up from Santa Fe College. Olabode, he's encouraged us to call him Festus. We're going to take him up on it. Festus is a little easier to say than Mr. O or Olabode, but we're so happy to have him with a background in building construction, owned his own company, and so now he's helping us focus on building the civil engineering tech program, and we believe in him and so proud to have him here. Additionally, we have Ms. Aubrey Hanson. Aubrey's come to us also from a sister school, but a background working with NASA, and a background in very serious towards instrumentation. She actually knows how all these things work out here. We're so happy to have Aubrey, and what you'll see out of that program and the civil, it's a blending. It's a blending and a broad base of what you need to be successful. For example, in her program, there's an industrial maintenance component that has been so important to this. CareerSource Chipola has been so behind this. Without Byron Ward pushing and carrying this program along, we probably wouldn't even have the program. So it has this industrial maintenance component for our incumbent companies, but it also has an advanced manufacturing component that will support us as we recruit new industry. In fact, the highest tech industry would still be very happy when they see this kind of training program laid out. So same with civil. We're crossing over surveying, we're crossing over building construction, GIS, mapping, all the things that work together to make these programs. They're better than the silo programs and the singular programs. That's why masonry would fail or even surveying would fail. They were too singularly focused, and these multi-craft approaches are going to really work well and seed down our industry. Again, I see so many people, Mallory Elevator here. Thank you for being here, and any questions you have, take them up with Olabode or Aubrey. They know all the answers. Thank you.
I'm Jay Marlowe. I'm going into the Civil Engineering Technology program. I feel that it's a great placement for people who are looking for jobs to help build a better community. So that's what I plan to do.
I'm Logan Stone. I'll be in this program right here, and I'm really interested in it. I've been interested in it ever since I heard that it would be starting, and I just think it's a great opportunity for anybody who's ever interested in it. Hey.
Hello, my name is Gage Tice. I came here hoping to get some information about these classes today, and I really plan on looking forward to coming in and taking these classes next semester. And I didn't know it, but my boss is actually here today, Mr. Nolan. And I work for him at Mallory Elevator. I actually work as an engineer there, so I hope he thinks I'm taking some initiative here. So. But yeah, it's good to be here, and it's good to see all these people. We need more engineers, so that's why I'm here.
I am Mark Jackson. I will be enrolling in the engineering tech program here. I can't wait to start.
The engineering technology program, and it just runs in my family, just something I'm very looking forward to. Thank you.
And I'm excited to be here, and I was not expecting to do this today.
Technology program. It's time to fix it, get it in, and get it out.
I'm Dalton Mock. I'm going in the engineering tech program and just excited for the opportunity.
My name is Anthony Wyatt. I'm enrolling in the engineering technology program. I'm here with Rex Lumber today because I'm their new intern, and they have graciously given me a scholarship for this program, and I'm very excited and willing to learn and just ready to do everything I can.
I'm a cook in a restaurant. I'm ready to get out of that hot kitchen and sit down. I'm Dylan Ursher, and I'm looking forward to enrolling in the engineering technology program.
I'm Addie Sanders. I haven't quite decided which I prefer to do, but it's looking like mechanical right now. I'm excited to be here.